Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super quick and easy art journal page for you. I have already prepared my page with a layer of old book paper, and I also have stick down a colorful circle. The circle is from a underpaper where I clean my brushes and apply leftover paint. I have glued down everything with a layer of gel medium. Now when everything is dry, I go on top with the Stabilo Woodys and add some more color. I'm using almost the same colors that I have already on my circle. If you don't have the Stabilo Woodys, you can of course use any kind of water-soluble crayon, for example the Faber-Castell Gelatos or the Neocolor crayons. The Woodys can be blended very easily. I just dip my finger a little bit into water and then I can blend the colors. I want to bring back that circle a bit more, and I'm outlining it with the black woody. This also adds a lot of contrast. I make some marks by just scribbling the woody around. It's now time to add some stamping, and I'm using a black ink. It's Archival Ink and some of my mixed media marks stamps. And here I have a mask that saves my circle. I decided to add more of the pink color to make look everything more cohesive. I'm stamping a sentiment for my spread onto the same paper that I've used for the circle, and this is a sentiment stamp from the Flowers Gone Wild stamp set, and I just will cut out the words. The flower that I'm using is from the Inky Flowers, and I've stamped it to watercolor paper and also colored it in with watercolors. I had this already in my stash and I thought it matches the page very well, and so I decided to stick that down. It's a very quick and easy page. This is something you can do when you have not much time but want to create something. I usually have some pages prepared in my journals, either with gesso or with some collaging, and then you just adhere the circle. You can use a glue stick instead of gel medium, so you don't have to wait for it to dry, and then you just add some stamping, some marks, and a main image. The process today is real time, and I've just cut out some parts where I have paused because of any interruption, and so I think finally this page took me about 10 minutes, not more, and yeah, I think it's a great way to create even without much time. This would also give a nice greeting card. I'm arranging the words on my page and I stick them down with a glue stick, and then I make them pop from the background using a white gel pen. I also use the gel pen to make some more scribbles, so everything is balanced out a little. And this time I didn't add any color splatters to the spread. I'm really surprised about, but I think in this case with the scribbles it's so busy, it's totally enough. And here you can see the spread for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you like the finished result, and I hope we will see us next time. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.